Welcome to Evercycle. I'm Eva, and this guide shows you how to use bulk order upload for larger client lists. Here we see Workflow 2748, which handles our device refresh program in the US. Let's open New Service Order and select Bulk Order Upload to start. Choose paired outbound and return, return only, or outbound only. The optional checkboxes email a shipping label or return QR code. Here, we choose return only and leave emails off. Complete one row per device or order. Use two-letter state and country codes, and match device type and device size to the manual service order form. This example uses laptop and any size. Here, I'm selecting Create Only Return Shipments for this specific batch, and then I'll click Import Data. Now, I'll select and upload our completed CSV spreadsheet file right into the importer modal. Confirm the header row and column matches. The official template maps automatically. Custom files require manual mapping before continue. On Review and Finalize, correct any errors. This file has one valid row and 0 errors, so click Import One Record. The confirmation shows imported 1 and rejected 0. Import and submit are separate required actions, so click Submit to begin processing. Finally, let's refresh the page and open the Import Activity tab under this workflow. Processing can take a short moment, so you can monitor progress here before verifying your newly created service orders. To wrap up, select your shipment mode, fill out the official template, import and submit your file, and monitor progress in Import Activity.